Tired of manually labeling products or verifying orders in your WooCommerce store? It takes time, causes mistakes, which can make your store messy and slow down order processing. With QR and Barcode Generator for WooCommerce, you can automatically generate unique QR codes and barcodes, whether for individual products, variations, or entire order. Choose from multiple barcode standards like EAN13, UPCA, Code 128, or Code 93. Add custom prefixes, suffixes, and customize colors, sizes, and placement on product pages. This powerful flexibility helps streamline your inventory management, speed up warehouse operations, and enhance accuracy in packaging and customer service. Let's go to the back end and explore how the QR and Barcode plugin works. From your WooCommerce dashboard, open the drop-down menu and select Settings. Once the Settings page loads, you'll notice a new tab labeled QR and Barcode. Click on it to open and configure the plugin's settings. General Settings. We'll begin with the General Settings tab. This section allows you to define how your QR codes and barcodes will be generated and displayed throughout your store. First, decide which type of code you'd like to use. You can select QR code, barcode, or both depending on your business needs. If you choose barcode, an additional drop-down will appear, allowing you to select the barcode format. Next, determine where the QR code or barcode should appear on the product page. You can choose to display it before Add to Cart, after Add to Cart, after Product Meta QR codes, and barcodes will display after product metadata, except for variable products, when the product is out of stock. You can also add a prefix and suffix to your codes, a great way to include store initials or location identifiers. Next, set the display color and pixel size for your QR codes and barcodes to match your store's theme and visibility preferences. Enable the QR and Barcode for Orders option if you'd like the plugin to automatically generate codes for every new order. This can be useful for packaging, tracking, or fulfillment systems. If you want to limit code generation to specific products, categories, or tags, you can easily restrict them here. And if you ever need to start over, click Delete Barcode to remove all existing QR codes and barcodes from your products in one click. Generate Barcode and QR Code settings. Now, let's move to the Generate Barcode and QR Code Settings tab. Here, you'll find options for mass code creation. Enable the checkbox labeled Generate QR and Barcode for all products to instantly create codes for every product in your store. Alternatively, leave this box unchecked if you want to manually select specific products, categories, or tags for which the codes should be generated. This gives you more control over which items display QR codes or barcodes on your site. Go to the Print PDF Settings tab. This section lets you design and download printable barcode and QR code labels, ideal for packaging, warehouse organization, or retail use. You can fully customize what details appear on each printed label. Choose whether to include product ID, the unique identifier of the item, product image, to visually recognize the product, product name, for quick reference, product variation, such as size, color, or material, and product price, if you want the price displayed directly on the label. Once you've selected your preferred details, click Generate PDF. The plugin will create a downloadable file containing all your codes and product information neatly formatted and ready for printing. Finally, let's move to the Shortcode Settings tab. This feature allows you to display a searchable form on any page or post using a shortcode provided by the plugin. When added to a page, the shortcode creates a simple input field where users can enter a QR code or barcode number. Once submitted, the system instantly retrieves and displays the corresponding product or order information linked to that code. This extension automatically generates QR codes and barcodes for all new orders. When an admin creates an order manually, they simply need to add the order and locate the QR code and barcode section in the right-hand panel. From there, QR codes and barcodes can be generated instantly for the newly created order. Now let's head to the front end and see how the QR and barcode appear at product page. This is particularly useful for staff in warehouses, physical stores, or customer support teams who need to verify product details by scanning or entering a code quickly. Thank you for watching.